Hey everybody, welcome back to the bench. Got a little surprise for you today. Now I said I had some new content coming soon, but I didn't expect it to be this soon. But saw something for a Black Friday sale that I couldn't pass up. I've been looking for something in this kind of a buggy or car, whatever you'd like to call it. So I got a little something here from ARRMA. Let's see what we got. Alright, so here it is. ARRMA Typhon 4x4 3S brushless. I thought I was actually getting the 6S, but realized upon the completion of my order that it was a 3S, but that's alright. I've been looking for something to do some dirt racing with. If you've heard of Exo Caged RC and the Exoplex, he's got a nice little dirt course that's been coming along nice over there that I've been wanting to get something to drive on it. And the only thing I have that would be even somewhat capable on a course like that is my Losi Rock Ray, but it's not really built for, that's definitely more of a basher. This is more of a basher that you can race with, I think. So let's open up the box and see what it's looking like in here. All right, here's the inside of the box. Got the truck in there. The remote probably in this box here, I would imagine. All right, here we are. Got it out of the box. Wrapper off. All right, for you guys watching at home, time hasn't changed, but for me, it's been about 3 or 4 days since I took the wrap off of this. I had to wait and get a new plug adapter before I could even run this thing, but we took the plastic off. I just wanted to take a look at the car real quick. See, we've got the attached body clips here. I've already taken them all off, but I like that. I like the attached clips. Go inside. We got our brushless motor with a fan on top. We got a fan, or sorry, brushless ESC, not motor. The fan on top. We got our brushless motor here, of course. Fan on top of there. Not a whole lot I can really say about it, since I don't really know much about these types of cars, but I finally got me one, and we're going to take it out for a run. It's got some nice suspension on it and everything. Yeah, it came with this plug. I've got the adapter on it now, but I had to get an adapter for my Dean's batteries. I got batteries charging right now, and we're gonna go out and hit some dirt jumps. So hang out just a second, and I'll see you out at the dirt. All right, bad day to come to the park today. There's a baseball game going on, so my dirt jump is not able to get to. There's a birthday party going on over at this spot, but I'm gonna get just some speed runs on this dirt here and mess around for a little bit, and then I'm gonna take it back to the house and we'll jump my ramp over there, get some jumps on it. I should have brought that out here to the park, but didn't think about it. So here she is, the ARRMA Typhon. Huh?